Save views are a great way of keeping large or multi-location systems organized. Today, I'm going to create a parking lot view. To create a save view, first select a grid. At the top, near the NVR list, I'm going to search for parking. This will show all the cameras with parking in their name. From here, I can simply drag and drop the cameras to a grid location. You can also rearrange the cameras by clicking and dragging on the live video. Once you've got the view the way you want it, click the Save View button below. Give the view a descriptive name and hit OK. To access your save views, go to the left menu and click the Views button. All of your save views will be under the Custom View folder. To start a view, simply double-click. If you have any issues or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our US-based support team at getscw.com.